So we all know being in the UK, we are limited to CE mode and the range is a lot less than FCC. Let's see how far we can go in an urban environment. So first, make sure you've got airplane mode on and you select the 5.8 GHz channel. You do not want to select it to the 2.4 as this will cause a lot more interference. So on the DJI website, it does say in CE mode on 5.8 you can get 500 meters in a free of interference unobstructed area. So we're not in that area, we're in a highly interfered area surrounded by houses and lots of Wi-Fi interference. So when you're flying at the bottom of the screen, you want to try and keep the drone in a straight line from the controller to keep the best signal possible when you've got lots of Wi-Fi interference. So let's see how far we can get. I'm going to be increasing altitude to about 60-70 meters. That's the best sort of height for doing these, so you're not going to get as much interference. We've just got a strong wind warning there, which is not great because that's only around 50 meters high, but we'll keep on going and see what we're doing. So we're coming up to the 200 meter mark now. We've not had any dropouts yet with the signal, so that's good. We're coming up to the halfway mark now. Yep, cross that, it's halfway there. So we'll make sure when you're doing this you've got airplane mode on, so that's going to make sure you've got even less interference through your phone. So it's doing well so far. We'll increase it a bit more now, so we're up to 60 meters. We'll keep increasing that slowly to around about 70 meters is probably the best thing to do. So honestly it's looking pretty good so far. So we're now just got the first signal loss just over 400 meters. So I think that's because underneath is a tram track as well. It's going to be causing a lot of interference. We'll now increase it to 70 meters, 450 now, so only 50 meters to go. So it's going really well, this, to be honest. 70 meters still, let's keep pushing it. I reckon we'll easily get to 500 meters. Yep, cross that 500 meter mark now, so it's really good for in this sort of area of high interference. Let's keep pushing it. We're now up to 530, 540. This is really good, this. What we're going to get? 564, we just had another dropout. I think I could keep going, but I'm just going to stop there just to show you that in an urban environment, when you're flying surrounded by houses and lots of Wi-Fi interference, you can get the 500 meters, which is what DJI are saying. So I'm really impressed with that, to be honest. Make sure when you're doing it, you make sure you've got the 5.8 gigahertz channel when you're flying and you've got airplane mode on. That'll just make sure you're increasing that range. So I'm impressed with that for an urban range test. Let me know in the comments what range you got in an urban environment. I'll see you next time.